In this short tutorial, I will show you how to add friends in Among Us. Adding friends can make playing the game more fun and enjoyable. To get started, open up the Among Us game on your device, and then tap Friends at the top right. Then tap where it says, Add a friend via code. And then tap here, and type in the friend code of the person you want to add. Once you've typed that in, tap on this button. Now your friend will receive a notification and can accept your request to become friends in Among Us. If you don't have their friend code, don't worry. You can easily send them your friend code. To see your friend code, tap on this button at the top left corner. Simply share your own friend code with them. They will then use that code to send you a friend request. When you receive the request, all you need to do is accept it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.